Now this is an application for either smartphones or Facebook. Now the main aims for the session really is to understand what our app is, how to download it, and understand the main menus. If you log in to our Facebook page, first of all, now just to show you where that is, so I'm going to change desktops, and if you log into Facebook, if you have a Facebook account, and you go to nvqsupport.com, you should end up with our page. If I can remember how to do it, it would be great. Is it there? So in our page, you've obviously got the nvqsupport.com site. There we go. And in there, this is what it looked like. So you've got 55 people like this. You can update, and I suggest you follow it. So again, we can start following each other and using this as a great line of communication. Again, there's lots of other bits and pieces on there and things that we're doing as we've started and really progressed and kicked off. Now, the mobile app that we're talking about is here, so you can see it, mobile apps. If you click on there, it will take you to this page. Now, it takes a second to come up. If you have a smartphone, this is what it will look like on the smartphone, and on there you can obviously then use your fingers to control it rather than the mouse. So this is what the app looks like. Now on there you can click About Us, and it tells you a bit about us, about directions and where we are, and the back buttons there. Information about your courses. So say for example you want to know more about the administration courses, you click on there and it gives you a little bit of information about the course that you're doing. Okay. The learning rooms are the classrooms in your login page of the website. So that will take you to the websites, and there's your assessments there. Okay. Mobile shopping. If you wanted to do a different course and you're interested in other things, down here you can see all the courses that we offer. And say for example you wanted to know, I don't know, maybe you want to do your Assessors Award after this. If you click on there, you can then see how much we charge for the awards. So you can click on that and then add that to your cart, and then that's you pretty much done. And then you can pay for your award if you wanted to. Here about the webinars. So same thing as online. If you haven't got access to your online but you want to book a course because you're thinking, oh no, I'm going to miss it, you can obviously click on the web app and click on there and book your course. And there it's got the link to go straight to the page, so that's obviously really useful. And again, you can just attend there, so you just click that, pop in your name, your email, and I think that's really the same as the bookings. You can obviously book time with your tutor and things in there, and then create a booking for somebody to come and see you. Okay, so if you wanted to book a booking, you can do that there. Mailing lists. if we do any updates or things like that, you can join our mailing list, and that will keep you up to date on what we're doing. Live chat is pretty much live chat. If any of us are online and you wanted to talk to somebody, you can start the live chat straight away. Stamps are about discounts. So everybody, if you want to do a course, we'll give you a stamp, and then when you collect so many stamps, you release your vouchers for discounts. So it's part of our loyalty scheme. We'll give you a code that goes in there, and it marks it up there. So eventually, if you referred a friend, we'd give you a code, and that would give you up to 25% off a course. If you referred another friend, that gives you 50%, a third friend, that gives you another, and so on and so forth. So eventually, if you wanted to do your next course, you could end up paying for it free of charge via just referrals. You can follow us on Twitter and tweet away if you wanted to. I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not the world's best tweeter because it's new to me, but I'm getting there on it. Facebook is obviously our Facebook page, so it's there so you can see what people are saying and etc. and about the app. YouTube will be, when we upload videos, they'll be there and you can then play them. So if you've missed your last session and the session's available, you can click there. Now if the session isn't available, this will happen and it will say that the video is private and you're not allowed to view it. Share, you can share this app with your friends, tweets and emails. So remember, the more people that you refer, you get money off, or we can look at other incentive schemes. If you want to enroll onto a course, you can just click on there and enroll on the course. The benefits of you completing the online enrolment form is obviously we don't get any errors in your names, etc. And obviously there you can tell us who's paying for the course, whether your employer, whether you're going to pay for it, or whether it's funded by you. Oh, sorry, whether it's funded by the government. Go back. Reviews. We'd obviously love for you to review this and obviously give us feedback. It's another way for us to keep an eye on what we're doing and monitoring what we're doing. So it's really important that we do get feedback and reviews from you. And again, then events, any events coming up, we would have in there. So the app itself is like a mini website for us, and obviously don't forget to like us. So it is like a mini website, although it's your learning on go. So if you forget about something, if you forget about a webinar, you can log in online. If you've got time to sit down and do some online learning, you can obviously go to your learning room and log in for the first time and start your learning there. Now you might say, but Steve, I haven't got Facebook. Well, that's fine. If you haven't got Facebook, you can always go to the website, which is www.nvqsupport.com, and you can download the app from your phone store. So if you've got an iPad or a notebook or a smartphone, if you go to your marketplace or the App Store and download a QR reader or a QRS reader, they're free to download. You just hold it to the screen and scan it, and it'll say, do you want to install this app? When you download the app on your smartphone, you'll see these books, okay? And then that will give you access access to our app. When we get a little bit bigger and better, we'll have it so it'll be in the marketplaces. Now, the apps work across 7 platforms, so they should work across all devices. If they don't, obviously, if you give us some feedback, then we can get on that straight away. So, a summary of this session then is to understand what the app is. Well, I've given you a tour of the app. You've seen the Facebook version of app. So if you don't have a smartphone, you can always set up a Facebook account and have it there if you wanted access to the app. Or alternatively, you can download it from smartphones. You've got the, we've shown you how to download it, and obviously I've shown you the main menu. If you need any more information around the apps, by all means, please email me at stephen@educations.co.uk. Hopefully you found that session useful, and if you have any other questions, by all means email me. But until then, good luck with your learning, and hopefully you'll use the app to progress and achieve your awards. Thanks for watching.